Here's how to make scrunchies in the best way. Step 1. Get your materials. You'll need fabric roughly 4.5 by 16 inches, a hair tie, a sewing machine including a bobbin, a hand sewing needle, thread, and a clip or safety pin. Step 2. Thread your needle and bobbin on the sewing machine. Step 3. Start by folding your fabric in half with the right sides facing if the fabric has that. Then put your hair tie in between and bring it to the top corner. Step 4. Place your fabric under the foot. Have the hair tie circle around the foot. Step 5. Begin sewing. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pull the hair tie forward every so often as to not sew over it. Step 6. When you're done sewing, turn it inside out. You can do that with a safety pin, crochet hook. Step 7 is to sew close the scab. The best way to do this is to hand sew it so you can continue to get the full donut loop of the fabric. Make sure to hide both of the raw edges. Another way to do this is sewing straight down with your sewing machine. Fold both ends into each other and then put one side around the other. Now you're done and have a handmade scrunchie.